Hello everyone, welcome to another module on the renal system. In this, we will start with the renal physiology and discuss about the fluid compartments in our body. Okay, so our total body mass is divided into two parts, the total body water and the non-water mass. Okay, so the 60% is the total body water, whereas the 40% is the non-water mass, that is usually the bones and the muscle. Okay, now what about the distribution of this 60%? Out of this 60%, 2/3 is intracellular fluid, whereas 1/3 is the extracellular fluid. Is it clear? The 2/3 is the intracellular fluid and the 1/3 is extracellular fluid. That is out of the 60% of this. Clear? Now in the extracellular fluid, it is divided again into two parts, 75% of which is the interstitial fluid, whereas 25% of which is the plasma of the blood. Now in the intracellular fluid, there are substances like potassium ion, magnesium ion and organic phosphates. Example, ATP. Now in the extracellular compartment, it is mainly composed of sodium ions, chloride ions, bicarbonate and albumin. Albumin is one of the most important and essential component of the extracellular fluid. Now how is the plasma volume detected? It is measured by radio labeling albumin. So if there is a question which asks how is plasma volume measured, it is by radio labeling albumin. Is it clear? Now what is the normal hematocrit value? The normal hematocrit value is 45%, and the hematocrit is usually determined by 3 into the hemoglobin content. So this is how the hematocrit is determined. Now let's talk about serum osmolality. It is the concentration of the extracellular or the intracellular fluid. So the concentration of the serum is usually 285 to 295 milliosmol per kg of water. Okay. Now let me just give you a brief idea about how the water moves on the osmolarity range. The water moves from less osmolality to more osmolality. Is it clear that if a substance or a fluid has less osmolarity, that is more concentration of water, it will move away from that and move to the more osmolality region which has less water content. Is it clear? Now let's talk about the plasma volume. This we will again talk about in the renal blood flow, the renal plasma flow module. But what is the plasma volume? It is the volume of the plasma, and it is calculated by the total blood volume, that is usually 5 liters into 1 minus the hematocrit value, which is usually 45%. Is it clear? So how do we calculate plasma volume? It is by total blood volume multiplied by 1 minus the hematocrit value. From this we realize that the total blood volume is always more than the plasma volume. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comment section below which topics do you want me to explain. Thank you.